So these are some of the projects my students were working on before the coronavirus hit. Little storage bench for the end of her bed. This young lady, she made a vanity desk. Some kid spilled black paint on it. She did a good job. These are 2 senior projects. Bookshelf. This is actually a sophomore's project. She made a bench. She got to finish up with the supports, and they started painting it. This is a senior's table. He did a great job. Made a nice little table with his family pictures in it. Baseball bats. He was working on a baseball bat made out of oak. We were working on making a front desk for the main entrance. We were working on a trophy case for all these state championships and city championships. They just cluttered up in closets. We just win over here. These are my juniors' 1-inch scale projects. They're not perfect, but this is how I introduced them into framing. We started with the foundation. Even though it's a wooden foundation, we went over the principles of concrete and things of that nature. We went on to discuss floor framing, fundamentals of floor framing, cutting holes in the floor so that they can have stairways, so running header and tail joists. Let's go up in there. You see them joists? Okay. And these are my juniors. Think you all can guess by now who've been doing more work than others. I had the students placed in about groups of 5 to 6. I got like 30 juniors in my class. So I group them up and they come up with their own blueprints or schematics, and I go through each level with them. Foundations, floor joists, wall systems, roof systems, and then if we get back to school this year, they're going to go into full scale framing where they'll learn how to do all this stuff full scale. And then we will go into drywall painting and flooring. But yep, these are my kids, or my students. We use glue guns. Had to do everything. This is on a 1-inch equals 1 foot scale. We used a 4x8 sheet of plywood, cut it in half, and I gave them the area of 46 inches by 46 inches to work with. So if in real life this is a house that's 46 feet by 46 feet, but as you see, some of the houses are smaller, but their parameters, building lines were 46 inches by 46 inches, okay? Hence you see this line around the perimeter going in 1 inch. All right, let me finish up because I only got a time slot to be here. First time my job said I can only be here so long.